Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter your Honda Accord radio code. This guide will help you reactivate your car's audio system after a battery change or power loss. We will cover finding your unique 5-digit code and the straightforward process of inputting it. You will be enjoying your favorite tunes again in just a few moments. It is a simple fix that anyone can do with these clear instructions. Finding your radio code is the first crucial step. Often, it is on a small sticker inside your glove compartment, sometimes on the side panel. Another common spot is on a white sticker within your owner's manual. If you cannot find it there, you can retrieve it online using your vehicle identification number, or VIN, and the radio's serial number. The serial number is usually found by pressing and holding the 1 and 6 preset buttons simultaneously. Once you have your 5-digit code, entering it is straightforward. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position. The radio display should show code or enter code. Use the radio's preset buttons, numbered 1 through 5, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 12345, press preset 1, then 2, and so on. The radio will automatically unlock when the correct code is entered. If you encounter an error message, do not worry. Simply turn off your vehicle for about 10 minutes, then try entering the code again. Double-check that you have the correct radio serial number if you are using the online retrieval method. If all else fails, your local Honda dealership can assist you. They can look up the code using your VIN or help with any persistent issues. You will have your radio working smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.